Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about finding and replacing options provided by Microsoft Word. It's really exciting and very useful features provided by MS Word 2016. Generally, it is provided in all the version of Microsoft Word. So let's see how you can find particular content and how you can replace particular content in MS Word. Finding and replacing is used when you want to find something, some word, some sentence or any content in your document or throughout document. So as you can see here, there is one section called editing, in which you will find option and replace option. So click on this find option and it will open up one pop-up from left hand side, in which there will be one text box in which write word you want to find. For example, I want to find Gandhi. Then I will have to write just Gandhi and it will highlight all the Gandhi words that are in our document. As you can see, one Gandhi is here, one Gandhi is here and everywhere. And whenever the Gandhi is written in your document, it will be highlighted. Now, you can also traverse through the Gandhi word which you are searching. For example, I want to traverse through previous Gandhi word, then I can go to that previous word by using this up key arrow. So as you can see, now Mahatma Gandhi is highlighted. So you can traverse through these two buttons. Total there is a 7 occurrence of Gandhi word. So this is how you can find particular word or particular combination of word in Microsoft Word. So this is it. Now let's see how you can find particular word and replace it with other word. So go to this replace option or you can just directly go to this replace option from here. So click on this replace button and write a word on which you want to make replacement. I want to make replacement on Gandhi word, and here write a word by which you want to replace particular word. If you want to replace space, then don't write anything in this text box. Or if you want to write any other word, Mahatma Gandhi or Mahatma K. Gandhi, then just write that word. Now select the occurrence on which you want to make replacement. So I am just selecting the first occurrence, which is Mahatma Gandhi, and clicking onto this replace button. So as you can see, the word Gandhi is replaced with K. Gandhi. So now it is Mahatma K. Gandhi. But I am undoing all the changes. So I am just pressing Ctrl Z key. Now if you want to replace all the words, then you can select this replace all button. It will replace all the occurrence of Gandhi with K. Gandhi. So I am just clicking onto this replace all button, and as you can see, now all the occurrence of Gandhi is replaced with K. Gandhi. I am also undoing this change. So now you know how to find particular word and how to replace particular word with another word. So this is about finding and replacing in Microsoft Word 2016. Thank you very much.